Hi friends. Welcome to Hott and Sweett. Today's recipe is easy to make chicken starter. Butter garlic chicken. Let's begin with the marination prep. Boneless chicken, 250 grams. Madag all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoon. Cornstarch, 2 tablespoon. Lime juice. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Black pepper. Take chicken in a bowl. Add salt. 1 lime juice. Add black pepper as per your taste. Some ginger garlic paste. Sprinkle some maida powder for binding and coating. Mix all the ingredients well. Cover and let the marinade rest for at least 1 hour. Add some oil and butter in a pan. Shallow fry our marinated chicken. Fry until golden. Cover the lid so chicken is soft and cook well from inside. My kitchen smells so amazing, and look at that golden color of our chicken. Remove chicken off the heat. Add chopped garlic in the same pan. Make a mix of corn flour powder and some water, and add in the sauce base and keep mixing. Add your fried chicken. Add 1 tablespoon soya sauce. Optional ingredient orange zest. If you don't like it, you can skip this step. Sprinkle chili flakes. You can add some grated cheese. Finish off with fresh coriander. Our garlic chicken is ready to serve. If you like our recipe, do like and subscribe for more such video. See you in my next video. Happy cooking!